I saw you like deep frying cereal or frying cereal or something.
Fried cereal, not deep fried cereal. Fried cereal is easy. What you do is you have to get the puff cereals like Fruit Loops and Apple Jacks and Trix and Honeycombs. Those are all puff cereals. You can't do the flake cereals, but you get your favorite puff cereals, like about 5 or 6 of them, and you, for every like cup of cereal or every box of cereal, have like a cup of butter. I mean, a stick of butter. Sorry, I'm like off my mind. And you basically just melt the butter, salted butter. You melt it in an electric skillet, and you just kind of pour in the cereal, and then you make sure it's coated with butter, and then you put it in a bowl or whatever. And the weird thing is the butter does not change the crisp of the cereal. It just soaks in. So it's nothing, like good cereal is just with milk. Well, imagine it taken to like 40 layers above that, 40 levels above that, with salted butter soaked into it. It's ecstasy. It's like a finger food. And if you mix all the colorful ones together, like Fruit Loops and Trix and Apple Jacks and Honeycombs, and you have all these, it's a multi-textural. It's gorgeous. That is, fried cereal is a recipe in my Holiday Jubilee book. And I'll show it to you.
Please do.
And yeah, I'll show it to you. And it is, in the book, I had to change the name because I have it as a New Year's Eve snack, but it's called fried confetti. And here's the recipe right here. And that's what it looks like in the bowl. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see it. Man, oh man.
I mean, no, that's fried cereal. That's good. It's not deep fried. It's more like sauteed, actually.
Okay, but, sauteed cereal. There you go.
And you cannot stop eating it. I mean, that's the only problem with it.
Man, I gotta try that.
Yeah, you'll love it.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very